what we're seeing now is school district after school district saying they're having exactly the same set of problems. And there's got to be some commonality in the solutions. I think you proposed some, but I think it might be a worthwhile exercise to look at how some of these are getting solved and make sure that information gets shared in a broader sense so that not everybody has to come up with a unique answer or start off from scratch.
Yeah, that actually, I have kind of tasked Linda with, and part of what you saw in the form of her presentation was an effort to kind of cultivate that information in meeting with districts across the state. She will be continuing to do that. And we have had some discussions within the staff about what you're talking about. Okay. We've got an emergency rule change and a regular rule change number 7 and number 8. What's up?
Is this one you not had a question about one of these two items?
Yeah, the one on deactivating the WAC.
Oh, that's a different one.
Oh, is that a different
Yeah.
one? I'm sorry.
Yeah. But we'll make sure to come back to that, yeah.
Yeah.
That one is going to be, that's number 11, I think, Bob, so we'll get to
Okay.
that. So I guess when I was out giving the news interview, we received some testimony about the legality of number 7 or
Number 7, the changing the timeline.
Number 7, yeah. So Linda Sullivan-Colglazier, I got that right, didn't I? Has agreed to come and answer any questions you may have about that testimony and the legality of this particular change, if there are questions.
And would that be now or when we have the business?
You know, we got 3 minutes. We can do it now. That'd probably be the one thing we could do between now and.
Yeah, I think in my view, when we have a public testimony issue like this, that
Sure.
it's useful to have
All right, you're on the
legal
news.
advice.
Yeah. It's okay to do this first.
Madam Chair and members, Linda Sullivan-Colglazier from the Attorney General's Office, record. And I was asked yesterday to take, more closer, I'm not a singer either, take a look at whether there needed to be any statutory changes for you to be able to do the emergency rules and the rule change. And so I took a look at it. Relevant RCW is 28A 657 030, and the reference in there is to both OSPI annually making a recommendation, and then there's also a reference to the state board annually making the designation. So, but it doesn't say a particular month. So for you to be able to shift it from one month to another, there's nothing in the statute that prohibits that. And do you have any further questions?